Urine formation is a vital process that removes metabolic waste and maintain salt and pH balance of the body. Hey viewers, have you ever thought how does our kidney separates useful substances from waste every single minute? Today we will understand the step-by-step mechanism of urine formation in a simple way. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AR Paradin. So today we are going to learn about the urine formation. Before that, I want to describe in briefly urinary system. The urinary system, also called the excretory system, the system that produces, stored and eliminates urine. This system in human includes two kidney, two ureter, one bladder, one urethra, and two sphincter muscles. See, aorta brings blood to the renal artery. Renal artery supplies blood to the kidney to be clean. Kidney organ that filters the blood and waste, transferring them to urine. Next, ureter. These are the tubes that transfer the urine to the bladder. What is bladder? Bladder is a muscular pouch which stores the urine. And coming to the next part, urethra. Urethra is the external opening which expels out the urine outside the body. Okay, see. So, as we have understood about the excretory system or urinary system, after that we have urine formation step by step. See, in that urine is basically formed by three steps. First step is glomerular filtration or ultrafiltration. See here, the blood enters the glomerulus through the afferent arterioles. See, next, glomerular filtration and the Bowman's capsule, together called as Malpighian corpuscles, and it is the site for ultrafiltration. Next, efferent arterioles. Efferent arteriole is narrower cavities which creates high hydrostatic pressure. See, due to this pressure, plasma is filtered into Bowman's capsule. First, what is filtered from glomerular filtration? Water, glucose, amino acid, urea, salts like sodium and chloride, etc. These are going to be filtered. And what is not filtered here? Blood cells and the plasma proteins are not filtered here. See, all these things are happening, but what is the importance of this? It produces glomerular filtrate. Next, it is the first step in removal of nitrogenous waste. Coming to the second step, reabsorption. Reabsorption mainly takes place in proximal convoluted tubules. Else, next, it is also happen in loop of Henle's, distal convoluted tubules and collecting duct in some amount. Useful substances are reabsorbed back into blood. It occurs mainly in this only. It occurs by active transport, diffusion, and osmosis. Here, a few substances are reabsorbed, like 100% of glucose, some amino acids, vitamins, most of the water, sodium, and chloride ions. See, what is the role of Henle's loop in this process? First, Henle loop is a U-shaped loop in which ascending and descending limbs are present. Descending limb is going to reabsorb water and ascending limb is going to reabsorb sodium and chloride ions. See, it helps in concentrating urine. All this is happening, but what is its importance? See, reabsorption is going to prevent loss of essential substances. It is going to maintain body fluid balance. See, next coming to the next step, tubular secretion. It takes place in distal convoluted tubules and some in collecting duct. It active secretion of substance from blood into tubules. See, substance is secreted here is H plus ions, that is hydrogen ions, potassium ions, ammonia, drugs, and the toxins. These all are secreted. Next, it is very important for the maintenance of acid base balance. It regulates ionic composition of the blood. It removes poisonous substances. All these are going to happen in tubular secretion. That is nothing but DCT and collecting duct. See, after all these things, tubular secretion, the remaining fluid become urine. Okay. So what is the pathway for urine? See, firstly, it is going to come out from the collecting duct, then it is going to enter renal pancreas, that is the one of the part of kidney. After that, it is going to come out from the tubular passage, that is nothing but the ureter. From that, it is going to jump into a pouch, muscular pouch, that is nothing but the urinary bladder. Okay viewers, I hope you are understanding the videos. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment. So keep like and share, subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz, दुआ में याद रखना.